Hi lovely, welcome. In today's part 10 home update video, I'll do a Crate & Barrel kitchen and living room haul and open 3 small packages I got from Etsy and West Elm to style our RH cloud sofa. Tune in until the end and consider subscribing before you go. Now, let's get into it. We have here is French kitchen marble butter keeper. I really like the marble design, which goes very well with our kitchen, backsplash and countertop. I cannot wait to use it. It's a little bit different because you put it outside. We're used to putting our butter in the fridge, but this one you put water in it and you put the butter inside and change the water every 3 days. So it's gonna be a little new, but again, I can't wait to use it.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right, we'll find the remedy.
Next, we have these coasters, which are simple and beautiful with protection pads in the bottom so it won't scratch our coffee table. The dark gray color complements our living room space very well. This spoon rest has a clean look. Our kitchen is really neutral, as you know, with some gold accessories, and I wanted to add some black touches to it, and this accent will be perfect.
I swear that I'm sober, just listen, I miss you.
These mini bowls are perfect for sauce and dips to hold some cut up lemons and seasonings such as salt. I love their imperfect organic shape. I can honestly use them for many things, to put my jewelry, rings. I just love them. I'm so glad I got them.
Let it be. If I leave tonight, we could do this right, we'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light, till the morning light.
I wanted to add some dark and brown colors in our living room, and for that I ordered these 2 down feather 23-inch pillow insert from Crate & Barrel. My goal is to mix different fabric textures in my living room decor, and for that I ordered these 2 black linen pillow covers from Etsy and 2 small pillow inserts and a beautiful brown woven suede pillow covers from Westelm. We'll go ahead and unpackage those.
I would never thought that I would meet someone like you. This time it's all different. You got every little string on me. The way you make me feel is crazy. How did you get so fly? You got me like my, my, my. You got me like oh, my, my, my. You got me like there's no other than you now, babe. Nah, 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 'cause you got me like my, my, my. Like oh my God.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here?
Both the linen and these genuine leather suede pillow covers are high in quality, relaxed and luxurious at the same time. I'll go ahead and show you how I'm going to style our RH Cloud sofa with them pretty shortly.
This moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
We're almost done with today's video. I just love the color combination, this black and this brown. It's just mwah, chef's kiss. I love it, but let me know in the comments below. I'm gonna be showing you the before and after. Do you like this one better or the other one? So let me know in the comments. I can't wait to read your comments. If you like what you saw so far, like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe because I have more exciting home update videos coming your way. Thank you so much for watching. Until I see you on my next home update video, this is Ethiopia saying goodbye.